Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are all good. Today we will do recap of sense organs. I have done with you earlier also, but today again I will do the recap of sense organs. Do you know how we sense things around us? We sense things around us with sense organs. There are 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. They help us to feel and sense things around us. So, the sense organs are the vital organs in our body. They are the most important organs in our body. These are useful to perform the vital functions in our body. Without these organs, we can't live. These 5 sense organs are useful to perform the various functions like the tongue helps you to taste, the nose helps you to smell, ears helps you in hearing, eyes helps you in seeing, and skin helps you to touch. So the first sense organ is eyes. Eyes helps to sense sight. It helps you to see. It allows you to see. It helps you to identify the color. It helps you to interpret new information, and it helps you to judge. So our second sense organ is ears. Ears helps you to hear. It helps you to collect sounds. We hear sounds around us with our ears and recognize them. We learn to talk when we listen. So, ear is also a very important sense organ. It helps us to learn to talk when we listen. The third sense organ is nose. Nose helps you to smell. Our nose helps us to smell different things like the fragrance of flowers and the aroma of eatables. Whatever you eat, you are able to sense or taste according to the smell. We also breathe air in and out through the nose. Smell also has the strongest connection to memory. The fourth sense organ is tongue. It helps us to taste. We enjoy our food by its smell and taste. There are tiny pores on our tongue called taste buds. The taste buds, they help you to taste the food. They help to taste different flavors of food like sweet, sour, salty and bitter. The tongue also helps us to speak. Can we speak if we do not have tongue? No. So, the tongue helps us to speak. And you know, very interesting thing, tongue is one of the strongest muscle in the body. It allows us to sense hot and cold in food and liquids. The fifth sense organ is skin. The skin helps us to feel. The skin is the outer covering of our body. It protects the internal organs, bones and muscles of our body. The skin helps us to feel by the sense of touch. The skin is the largest organ in the human body. It's activity time. Guess me. You have to guess which sense organ it is. I can hear the different sounds of animals. Which sense organ am I? So, the correct answer is ears. I am ear. So now you have the second guess. Now you have to guess the second sense organ. You used me when you smell something bad. So students, the correct answer is nose. Nose helps you to smell. I hope you all might have done right. Guess me. You cannot taste anything without me. Who am I? Which sense organ am I? So the correct guess is tongue. So tongue helps you to taste. Guess me. I can see beautiful things. Which sense organ am I? Yes, I am eyes. Eyes helps you to see beautiful things. Guess me. I spread all through the body. Which sense organ am I? Correct answer. I am skin. So students, I hope you all might have done correct. All the guess might be right. Very good. Keep it up. I hope you all might have understood about the sense organs. Once again, I will summarize. Eyes helps us to see. We see with our eyes. We listen with our ears. We touch with our skin. We taste with our tongue. We smell with our nose. The brain receives signals from each of these organs and interprets them to give us a sense of what's happening around us. So all sense organs are connected to the brain. They collect information from surrounding and send it to the brain. In our next class, I will do the recap of internal body parts. Till then, thank you for listening. Stay safe, stay happy.